How to contact Grab customer service. So first, open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. Here you'll see your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it and scroll down until you see an option called Help Center, which is located in the General category. From here, tap on Help Center. Then after a few moments, Grab will open a page which will look something like this. Here you'll see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it and type in your problem. After you type in your problem, the Grab app will suggest you the suitable solution, and it is that easy. This is how you can contact the Grab's customer service. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.